Hey everybody, it's Amanda from the Hides to Disney, and today we've got a box swap. So I was approached by my friend Valerie over at Singer Family Adventures, and she asked if I wanted to do this swap, and because I've only done one other swap before, I was like, yes, sign me up. This is something that I actually would really enjoy and something that I don't have a lot of, so I'm really excited for this because it is a Funko Pop swap. And if you can say that 5 times fast, I will send you your own Funko Pop, because I cannot. Funko Pop swap, Funko Pop swap, Funko Pop swap, Funko Pop swap, Funko Pop swap. Actually, it wasn't that hard. So I don't know if you can really see from here, but I do have a couple of Funko Pops up on my little shelf back there. I've got Ursula and Madame Leota, and I just got Mike that really cool Luke Skywalker one that he was super excited about. And we have a few non-Disney ones out in the other room, but I'm so excited for this box. It is addressed to Mike and I, but Mike's with Josiah, so I'm gonna just open it, and if I feel like he needs to come in, he'll pop into the video. So let's just get right to it. I'm just gonna open this up here. I was super excited for the person that I got to send Funkos to. They have been a friend of mine, an internet friend of mine, I should say, for about a year now. And they actually are the ones that introduced me to the Facebook group that led me to Valerie, and so I was super excited to get them, and I'm just super proud of their channel and how quickly it's grown and the awesome content that they put out. So I won't say who it is here because it's a little surprise, but I will put it in the description. I'll put all the channels that are involved in the swap, and you will just have to go and see who I gave Funko Pops to. Ooh, okay, so first off the bat, you can't even see the Funko Pops in here at first because there's a Mulan card. I love this. I don't even need to get rid of the Funko Pops. I literally just need this card. This is gonna go up on the wall somewhere. I don't know where, but I love this print. It says, I had so much fun shopping for these Funkos for you. Hope you love them and they're a fun add-on to your collection. So this is from Ashley's Grotto, and I'm super excited. She was actually in the last swap that I was in the Faith Box swap around Christmas time. So if you want to go and check that out. But Ashley, I'm so excited. Like, I'm pumped. Oh, yes. Okay, I am so excited because I saw who they are and they are going up on the shelf immediately. I'm probably gonna get a new shelf because I'm gonna need it. Okay, I don't even know which one to start with. Let's start with this one. Okay, so the first Funko Pop that she sent, the first one is my girl Ariel. Oh my goodness, I love her so much. Look at her. She's got a glittery tail, and she's got the flower in her hair. She's perfect. She's absolutely perfect. Where do I want to put her? Probably on the shelf away from Ursula would be a good idea. Okay, so that's the first one. And the second one, which I cannot describe excited for. It's like, I don't want to say it's my grail, but if I had a grail, it would probably be this. So now I'm gonna have to find a new one. It is Ursula as Vanessa, and oh my goodness, Ursula is my favorite character, like probably of all time, definitely my favorite villain. And so Vanessa is 100% going up on the wall. I'm gonna move Madame Leota because Vanessa has to go next to Ursula, and I just love her so much. She's beautiful. She's holding the shell. I feel like I need to do a Disney bound as Vanessa because I may or may not have a Disney bound as Ursula ready to go, but I think I need to do a Vanessa one now. So Ashley, thank you so much for these Funko Pops and the card because I love Mulan as well. So Mulan's gonna go up there, the Funko Pops are gonna go up there and be displayed. I'm so excited for these new additions. And again, thank you so much to Valerie for putting these together. I had such a fun time shopping for my person slash people. They might be like my channel that has, you know, Mike and I. You'll just have to go and see. So I will link all of them down below. So thank you guys so much for watching. I would love to have you guys subscribe to the channel. Put a comment down below of Funko Pops that you have that you like, or ones that you would want, or, you know, if you like the Ursula as Vanessa one or the Ariel one. Like, are you a team villains, or are you a team hero, or a team princess, you know, whatever. We'd love to hear from you down in the comments below. And thank you again so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!